We've released an update that means you can get better in Thrive Headline Optimizer and in Thrive Leads. That means you will get better results faster. And there are two parts to this change. The first one I want to show you right here in the dashboard. So as an example, we're looking at an A/B test that's running in Thrive Headline Optimizer. And this is an example of something that you might have seen before, where in this case we have 3 variations and 2 of them seem to be neck on neck. There's no winner between them yet, but a third one is definitely performing worse. And a new thing you can do now is you'll see this pause button or this stop button next to the variations. You can't stop the control, but all the variations you can manually stop. So looking at a test like this, I might say, okay, we don't know between these first 2 headlines here, but this third headline is definitely wasting traffic. So you click on the stop button, you click on yes to end this variation. That means we'll no longer send traffic to that variation. You'll see it down here. It will tell you when it was stopped. So you can still see how this variation performed compared to the others, but this one will no longer gather any views or any additional data, while the other 2 will keep running, and we'll see if a winner actually shows up as we accumulate more data. So this is how you can manually intervene in a test and make sure that basically you waste less traffic. But we've also added some changes to the automatic winner settings that mean you can get this benefit without even having to do anything yourself. So in the automatic winner settings, in this case, they're not enabled, but if we enable them, the basic settings remain the same. So you can set a minimum number of engagements in Thrive Headline Optimizer or conversions in Thrive Leads, a minimum duration, and a chance to beat original. These values are there to make sure the tests aren't ended prematurely. But what will happen now, what would happen before, is the test would run until this minimum was fulfilled, and then it would keep running until a winner was found, end the entire test and show that winning variation. There's one important change now, which is as the test is running, by the same logic that we just looked at, if there is a variation, if there's no winner yet, there's no clear winner yet, but there is a variation that's a clear loser, that variation will be eliminated automatically. So basically the automatic winner settings are now thinning the field of variations you're testing as the test is ongoing, even if there's no clear winner yet. In practice, this doesn't change anything. If you're setting up your A/B test, you're using automatic winner settings, the setup is exactly the same. It just means that as your tests are running, the potential for losing traffic or wasting traffic on really badly performing variations is now being eliminated. So that's our update. It makes A/B testing even more powerful in our products. And you don't have to do anything except go to your plugins list and hit update to make sure you've got the latest version of Thrive Headline Optimizer and Thrive Leads installed. Let us know if you have any questions about this and what you think about this update by leaving a comment below.